Hi, today I would like to show you how to set up screen lock on CUBOT X30. Start by opening Settings, scroll all the way down and choose Security. Then Screen Lock, and over here you need to pick one of the options, swipe, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it, draw it, click Next, draw it again and confirm it. How do you want the lock screen to display? Pick one of the options and tap Done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!